When I was a kid, like, daghan jud ko mga ambition na ganahan ako ma-pursue. Dili painting ko, I'm more on mag-character design. Like, anime na sketching. So, pag college, na-realize ko na ako which is ang fashion design is one of my dream ambitions aside from performing, mga actor sa TVs. After college, di ako na-realize na di ako mag-pursue ng fashion design. I think si God na has bigger plan for me, so di ako nabutang sa fashion industry. Even though na ako'y pinagdaanan o mga obstacles, gladly na naka-survive na ko. I saw this kasaluugan na post na please join now because you will learn from Sir Steve. So, di ako na I think it's a stepping stone for me. It's another milestone for me to step it up as a designer. While joining the mentoring program, surreal kayo, and then the cool budget ko because what takibaw na, like, if ma-discuss na ako about the description, because maka-issue ko ba, which is I worried, and then when I discuss about it properly, so di ako na-relieve, which is na murag naganahan si Sir Steve o si Sir Oscar. Ang ako inspiration si La Virgen Alegria, which is the Virgin of Joy during the resurrection of our Lord. Ang pangan sa akong creations, Hara Alegria. Ang Hara, which is the pre-colonial term for queen. Ang Alegria is a Spanish word for joy. I'm just reimagine on how the Blessed Mother dressed in a pre-colonial Visayan outfit. Just like Reina Juana. I don't think na mo shift ko another career because nakontento ko sa pagka-fashion designer. Like, I'm looking forward sa mga possibilities, mga opportunities na showcase akong talent, mag-collab sa other designers. Yeah. So, my name is Francis Green Mazuela. I'm the one of the mentees of the Kasaulugan Art Program of the Kabilin Center.